Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the process of reinstalling the WhatsApp app on your device. Whether you're facing issues or just want to start fresh, this updated guide will help you every step of the way. Let's get started. First, we need to uninstall WhatsApp. To do this, find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Press and hold the icon until the uninstall option appears. You might see a trash can icon or a prompt at the top of your screen. Either way, tap on Uninstall. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you really want to uninstall the app. Go ahead and confirm your choice, and just like that, WhatsApp will be removed from your device. Now that we've uninstalled the app, it's time to reinstall it. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once inside, look for the search bar at the top of the screen and type in WhatsApp. After you hit enter, a list of search results will appear. From this list, find and tap on WhatsApp Messenger. This is the official app you want to install. You'll see an overview of the app, including its features and user ratings. Now, look for the install button and tap on it to start downloading the app. Depending on your internet speed, this process should only take a moment. Once the app has finished installing, you'll see an open button appear. Tap on it to launch WhatsApp. The first time you open the app, you'll be greeted with on-screen instructions guiding you through the setup process. Follow these prompts to enter your phone number and verify it with a code sent via SMS. And that's it. You're all set to start using WhatsApp again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your apps and optimizing your device. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.